If the mean of 10 consecutive odd numbers is 120, then find the mean of first 5 odd numbers amongst them. Let the 10 odd numbers be 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 5, and goes on till 2x plus 19. As we know, mean is sum of all frequencies divided by total number of frequencies. So let us add all the odd numbers and divide it by 10. Since we are given in the question that 120 is the mean of 10 consecutive odd numbers, let us substitute it in the answer. Now let us substitute the value of x and find the mean of first 5 odd numbers.